Are you looking for the best travel cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the best travel cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sony CyberShot DS-CRX100 VAI. Sony's pocket-friendly RX100 series has long been a favorite of photographers in search of a pocket camera with better features than you expect from a pocket camera. The latest, the RX100 VAI, uses a Type 1 sensor for good low-light imaging and an 8.3x zoom lens. Add a tilting touchscreen, Sony's best autofocus system, an EVF, and 4K video, and you've got a powerhouse that's small enough to take anywhere. It's also quite expensive at $1,300, so consider the Canon G7X Mark III or the Panasonic ZS200 if you can live with fewer features. Credit Zlata of Liva. Number 2. Panasonic Lumix DMC-FZ1002. If you like capturing images of local wildlife, but don't want to carry a big, bulky telezoom lens, think about a bridge camera. About the size of a small SLR, a fixed lens design allows for longer zooms than you can get with an interchangeable lens of the same size. The Panasonic Lumix DMC-FZ1002 is one of the best values available. It offers 25x zoom power, 25 to 400 millimeters, and a 1-inch sensor. If you have a bigger budget and want more zoom, the Sony RX10 IV is also an excellent option in a similar form factor. For more, see our story on why a bridge camera is a Number 3. Olympus Tough TG6. A waterproof camera is a must if you plan to go snorkeling or scuba diving. Our favorite waterproof model is the Olympus Tough TG6, which has a good zoom range for its class and an everything-proof build. Its 4x lens is a bright f2 at the widest 25mm setting. Plus, Olympus includes support for 4K video, extreme macro photography, and raw imaging. Number 4. GoPro GR Black. If your trip involves serious outdoor activities, rock climbing, snorkeling, paragliding, or the like, consider a GoPro action camera. Tough, waterproof, and small enough to mount just about anywhere on your person. The GR Black is the company's most advanced model to date. It's got loads of slow-motion options, 5.3K 60 capture, and gimbal quality hypersmooth. Number 5. Leica Q2. Love the wide-angle look of your smartphone? Crave the image quality of full frame? Have a few extra $1,000 burning a hole in your pocket? There aren't a lot of cameras like the Leica Q2, with its impeccably sharp, fixed 28mm f1.7 lens, 47MP full-frame image sensor, and sleek, stunning design. The $5,795 Q2 is more than a fashion accessory. However, it's one of the best cameras in its class, though its peers are indeed few. If you can't be bothered with color photography, you can also get the Q2 monochrome. It's the same camera, just with a sensor dedicated to black and white photography, and a slightly higher $6,195 price. Number 6. Ricoh GR IIIx. The Ricoh GR IIIx takes the Leica Q concept and puts it into a pocket-friendly body. Despite the size, the GR IIIx sports a 24MP APS-C sensor, the same type you get in swappable lens cameras, mounts it on a 3-axis stabilizer, and matches it with a sharp 40mm f2.8 prime lens. Enthusiasts should appreciate a deep menu system and configurable interface, while casual snappers can comfortably use the GR in an automatic exposure mode. Ricoh also sells a GR3 with a wider angle 28mm lens for around $900. That model is a better match if you prefer a lens with a broader,